Nande tigangwaria ni umwanchu muri Ndizi TV andonse asobereta samangana Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere endo mayana kenda de wateka ime na isigo ya Gusii tangan kwa kirambia mwana kirocha wale Ndizi TV na rubuan sumusi pono iradi bagari ya ulia bena ndura manyana lenda de wateka ime na isigo ya Gusii kuro chingongo inye chenze ili anyimo chasugusu amo nabosongo na manga ndao karakana ime na isigo ya Gusii na nago tebiri Karumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto ala sense moya kakamega nene krasi taro yaye ya matukatato sirero lilit kure watato CNSMA umo sawa ya umo boda boda asensemeri embakasi niganyari kagwa kulisasi anene krabanya nyimbo bali kumnyokani na bahibi CNSMO eyo ngati yali na kwari nile kero county ya Nyamira igendete gusangiria birengelio litko lyakabere CNSMA na kwari ni obena inche guikomelio Egato kubatera na bigeli nyanja mene kuna mali ogine chibicha goche ira senjira ya bene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori Serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo litugolia kabere ya chakire gose yagendera gusangire birengerelio Kurwasa bamenyi be county yo ya Nyamira anena sekerege kyabo gechikoba konya korosie budget y'umwaka w'igirubere 2024 umwaka w'igirubere 2025 gati yabakwania usaba bamenyi bari banyarire bakuru ibirengerere byabo as county yo nigo banyarire bagokwana ane ari baganeti anyareka wikiranirwa ngamo nechipara amache ensemo yobochenu amono gusangirirwa kwegubye kurwa semechi au asomochi gosase county ya Nyamira Baigoni go baboliri bune birengere bibakorwa sensemo yechisemi bikirane ekeramatuko arigo chibosio eyengati yalia gosanaro abakwani kurwasi county ya Nyamira bakwanira keromori kito job mahangi atutumire kingese igoro yali baganeti asibirengere yebyo bakorwa
Kero turega kebirigo asewadi ya nyamatuta tore aseke saisia kanene tore public participation iyo batokonya sangireria maoni turasa wananchi iyo tumanyenge wananchi batagete na ibintu biri bagatweresa na bigo kiroba capture as a financial year 2024-2025 annual development plan ono no turaiga chakiruya ande to ende to konyara amaoni turasa wananchi
turuganya makuta ward West Mogram Crossfields. Aiga turasumu chio kebiru ya chile tawo. Ege nteke nemo ase mama asubura yibono bororo. Urayo uturujinga bororo bia. Lakini mtumbira tutara kolerwa unabono usafi. Tira buja kebiru tawo ni tukebiru gaya. Ase moya security igane kidogo maega. Unabono gotuko okorranga na ina baskali tuwate mbele karapati Iba bibu chitu nyumba chikutago nande tena bantumba likora ngento kendi kia gatatu okulemewa uchibaze bandi tumutibaze abana ba mali tatu abigiti bachitu konyara kaje tukera gabo umuradi
around we don't have it in our county. How best can we go about it? That's the question. So if we get answers to this, I think we can revolutionize our agriculture in our county because it remains to be the backbone of our income. Another thing that I would wish to talk about is health. When you go to our health facilities, our referral hospitals, our sub-county hospitals, every other time we are told there are no drugs. Hakuna dawa, ukiwa na mgonjwa ingia enda nje nunua dawa, ingia enda nje ununue dawa. So what is the
abasa ni gobagende de gosegetwa eriwe tumana goswa asobonjiri osemeroberio elira nyarege kurwanio go chenji kwelire munelia sogosimekemete boigo gotumekemete yubara chigosimeka sogokoro bonjiri gosobotugi bwechinjoke Kaukwana ayo no moteneri wekiombe kia youth fund ya se county ya Kisii atosmoi yote runani ngo babwatenere ne kiombe kia safana an eri kwegeria basayenga kibata keregwe aswana ni asimiroberi ao aneno na asimiroberi yogotuga chinjoke bunenchera ya moyo chukwenyorera ebitoki ochesa matuko alebosio
ntobwate liebagasa basae konyara gokore biashara nasencherende banyara go participate mangana climate mitigation and climate change ntobwate okoigwana ne kyombe koro kusabana hani toigwana nire tunyara go koena na chibesa na baro banyara koena na emetana na koru amaegeri na ki chinchoko chiko nyara gotugwa na boigo na koena ne chiro ase ebiri bikoru ase chinchoke na sentere yo ase yenza county ya Kisii twanyare go train ebyombe goitani bitanomo ebyo bono bire ase process yo apply elinde binyare go chakobo oboremi obu gosobo tugibwe chinchoke
chingwana nigo chigendrede ase senate usebunge ya senate yanene ekaraba senata bachaka gukwanira eng'ani erierengete chingwana chiri chikorawa na omobwasi miuro moja na wani Kenya anekera bange batebiruna nigo bagosira chingwana icho kolende asabande badena ya chingwana ichinjibwa dingenjende yonsi asense ya Kenya bagokwana abande bari badakoreta lieta lya Raila Odinga uyoro muraibo mwasi miuro moja asige kalekyo kolenda somo speaker anyara kao kana wateabuna ya yekerenga kimusangano ili tukarose kibaro kwanira sebunge yo ne libuna na kichingwane chubago chisira chigendere oschiruoro teture kyaba abasenata abo bagenda ne karo kyabo as a senate
speaker, because our head of government, who is the president, supports this dialogue, and because one of the agenda for Kenya Kwanza in this dialogue is creating an official opposition office, which I support fully because we appreciate that Raila, who is the current person in question that we are discussing today, he got a considerable number of votes. And the issue of winner takes it all has been a thorn in the flesh in the Kenyan elections. So, in that matter, Mr. Speaker, I support...
What is the point of order?
Protect me, Mr. Speaker. Protect me, Mr. Speaker, from the minority leader.
Just take your seat, Senator Karen. What is the point of order, Senator Mazayo?
Asensemo ya yemo seneta we county ya Kitui Enoch Wambua niganyareka na chingwane jijiro bereri no mabwasi miuro moja na Kenya Kwanza nigochira chikoreta obosera nobuya no morembe asense ya Kenya asenere airo koboko chingwane chu asaboliri abarayi bali bago chimocha gokanya chingmeme cyabo ikyagera ensi ya Kenya nitakire kobwena korwa samaote agesiasa.
Then this team is going to come up with resolutions that bind us together as a nation. So, Speaker, people should not be afraid of talking. In fact, the minute you stop talking, then bad things begin to happen. There is nothing to fear with having a dialogue. And when there are disputes, whether those disputes arise from a contested election or they arise from issues of governance or cost of living, leaders have a duty of care to talk and find solutions to problems facing the people that they lead. The Speaker, I personally take this initiative very, very seriously. As my friend, my neighbor, the Senator from Meru said, he left his county very early in the morning to participate in this.
Emero video yoji kwegwa gosabanya nyimbo gochikonyore uniform enyiba ojokore miremo nigegenderete kirobona bakenya banyarire bakubori ukuri birengera byabo igoro ye uniform yuba gochikwegwa anene nige uniform yo etachigotwara ebachi erie konantiwa aseshati y'abanyanyimbo kolende lieta lyabo libe likolikwa aseshati yabo ikerenga ngeribuna munyanyimbo ndebwe stago chikorusi ebachi erie akarusiri ekareri etheri gochikorekana na nigo ligo chigotigara koba aseshati yaite twarana ki munyanyimbo baenderete osekero barenge ase uniform echu bare kwererwa na kichigo chikorekana ayunaro agenderete.
Hii sasa ziko na pro. This is the short sleeve No. Ordinary battles. Need two pairs, but the same thing. National flag and the police crest. Meona? Tunaenda sababa? Yes. I'll give you time to explain. This time around, you know there are also administrative procedures that cannot be discussed, isn't it? Hii itakuwa na jina permanent. Hii kishono inachonwa pita dongo uwezi ngo kienda nyumbani mpaka shati la ruku. So hakuna hii. Sawa? Ni pa? Hajasikia vizuri. Umeelewa?
Umugabana bwe kaunti ya Kajiado nolio Samburu monolio Naroko nigo bono batogirie ke Tambagero umurai bwe nsanyaritiga koira kenene kratarita senseme kero babwate cultural week anekrate debuna bali bare ange national game park national reserve park amo ne se minyama ere gosingitiro sana jire nigo barach konyore ngeri koru ase enseme yuigo nigo murai bwe nse banyari bakomotogia asokore kune Amboseli National Park nigo yiranire ase county ya Kajiado asera chibotenerwa noboteneri bwe county eyo ya Kajiado.
Today we are celebrating God and thanking the president that this historical injustice has been reversed. We appreciate the monumentous job ahead of us of restoring Amboseli glory and taking Amboseli to the right position.
Our people all over from Kajiado, Laikipia, Narok, Samburu, and also Randile in Marsabit are all here today to show the whole world that what the president has done is the right thing. This park was taken back to national government or KWS in 1971.
That this is a special day for the Maa-speaking people. It's a special day because we want to thank God for returning Amboseli to the people of Kajiado. It's a special day because we want to thank the president for correcting a long-standing injustice to the people of Kajiado.
Thank you even for giving
Yombe bia borokia sebunge ya Kasipuru ni gobono banyarire bagotogia serikali anene gwetero mubunge bwensemeyo ogondo gwere asokomenta kose kwene kimunanga kyagosira borokiwa abali batakere ko ba asiskuru ekerobona nyardega koruchibese gwetere kanjagia CDF asasireta abana wetani chimi Isano nemo abojigoswa asiskuru University mo Nech College.
On matters of education. A program like this is a program that is only being had in other constituencies, and as Kasipul, we are very happy because it is one of its only kind in the entire republic, where students joining universities are given something to stipend their school fee need. And I'm very happy. The entire branch of Kenya National Union of Teachers is very happy, and we really support our area MP because it's also supporting education to improve the education standards of this constituency. This is a motivation to those ones who are still going to school. It is giving them an impetus, knowing that even if the parents don't have money, somebody in the name of Ongondowere Sir Charles is thinking about them, and therefore our MP is really motivating our pupils. So as we go back to the schools, we also send back the message to the pupils and to the parents that they should also improve on the level of standards to boost performance.
Mubunge Ogisumu Rosabuya mono mubunge Rwanda Deki Mwaungu nikobono banyarire bakoboria serikali komenta chibeze cha CDF okyase chibunge erigosira chisemi bunenjere moyo kwene kuna borokiwa bonsingo nyara bale chisemi asonde atatiwe maega kero chibesigira mentu cyase chibunge.
Wanafunzi wetu katika university kumekuwa na changamoto kiasi kwa sababu ukiangalia mishahara ambayo hata walimu wetu wanalipwa kwa sasa hivi they are still needy. Ukiangalia mshahara ambao askari wetu wanalipwa they are needy. Ukiangalia mshahara ambao wafanyikazi wetu wa serikali wanalipwa ni watu ambao wako needy kwa sababu ile pesa ni kidogo. JSS, most of the schools have actually had no education in those schools. Because the system is confused, and more than the system being confused, most schools do not have the required classrooms, the required laboratories, the required teachers. So we are pretending
that our students are going through junior secondary school, but this first lot has actually had no education. That we also have to do, and the gates and the toilets, and that will take 40,432.
Robono murai wense asirit kulalero ere ale asitaro ya Western ni gomo prime cabinet secretary msan mravadi anyorire kago sege to sanyarire kago sege tapa menyi bense mo ya Western kwena kibuna kokora bale obolemi ao mbanyara bago tegemea go sekuri libolemi bwemesi bweka kwana adena Chinsa mo chinde buna Chinsa mo chiri cha Mount Kenya nigo bagenda kokora bonjeli ao osibeki bwechae ekawa mo nebinde asaboliri abamenyi bense mugose abantu kurwa Chinsa ya Western gotakora obolemi abomo banyare bakurigeri obolemi bonde.
Mimi nimekaa hapa nasikiza hotuba ya rais. Amezungumzia miwa. Amezungumzia maziwa. Amezungumzia aggregation value addition parks. Kwa sababu kuna mazao mengine. Kwa akili yangu ndogo, mimi naona rais anasema tuangalie miwa sawa sawa, lakini pia tufanye kile wanasema diversification. Kwa kifupi, tusiweke mayai yetu yote ya uchumi kwa kikapu kimoja. Tunaelewana? Rigiji yuko hapa, wamepambana na kahawa, wanapambana na majani chai, lakini pia kwa taifa ama Mlima Kenya wameingia kwa mambo ya kuangalia avocado. Wameingia kwa mambo ya mpunga, mchele. Yani wameenda hatua ya kufanya diversification. Kama mvua ikiharibu miwa, utapata riziki.
Ponya nyimbo korwa se kaunti ya Busia ni gori buritko ya maroga osi tukire gora maroga ba banyarde ba konari nyasore eisaine chimilioni 10 na Isano na Isato asibanya banyare bakuruwe kurege tindigo cyasonde bwensi uranyare ka korobonjoreli wenyasore ase ensemeyo ose na county jiboge kaine ne county yo ya Busia.
Hivi sasa tuko na hiyo driver, hiyo lori iko hapa na hiyo bangi. Hii bangi ilipoangaliwa ilikuwa kilo zaidi ya 600. Value yake ni zaidi ya milioni 18 pesa ya Kenya. Haya sasa uchunguzi zaidi inaendelea, tuko na driver na tuko na huyo driver ni msukiwa kwa sababu ndiye alikuwa na drive hiyo gari na hiyo gari tuko nayo, hiyo bangi iko.
Oibono bwenegetiege korwiki Kenya sore asensemeyo Busia County Police Commander Maxwell Nyahema. Oyode debuna ababu atenya sore yo nigo babu atego segari babu atego talirinya sore yo nigo banyiri bigete Rafiki Funeral Services Otaya. Wenu wete buna ngaki bali bako ninya sore bachirangani bakari gutumeka empinu una no mobere bako savirisha akolende ninya sore abuo na bakenya tigangorera bwa se Chinsa je konde chikoraga Chinsa 10 aningira na semese ngumanya mange bana ndewateka imena isiko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa nagendera gotengera Ndizi TV ne rubon sumugusi asense me mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital boy asense moya YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News onya chinga kina bako tweet @Ndizi TV News boy karengeli kyao ketume wetera se namba era se skine gora boy koraga ngututara na bako tara we kasa magacha ito asense mo ya embassy New Brighton apartment abinora tonyore ende tukwane abirata twabiri nyanchama nere twabotana nero ene kubona mali ogine chibichago cheira senjera ya bene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.